Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Now let's scroll and find this ringtone section, and you can tap on the phone ringtone for the SIM card or a SIM card. It depends on you totally. So let me just how to do it. Let me show you how to do it using the phone ringtone for the SIM card. After tapping on this option, you will have the pre-installed ringtones from which you can choose. At the top we've got the option None, which means that your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the very bottom of the list, you've got this option Add Ringtone, which means that you can enter your own files and choose something from the options which you've got, for example, downloaded from the internet. To listen how the particular ringtone sounds, for example from this section, you have to simply tap on it and then decide whether you like it or not. So after marking the option, confirm it with OK, and as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.